In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to automate intake requests. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple, streamlined way to capture and manage requests directly inside Asana, making your workflows more efficient and organized. Let's begin by heading over to asana.com. Make sure you have your login details ready as we dive into setting up this automation. On the home page, you'll see a login field where you need to type in your email address. Once entered, click Continue and follow that up by entering your password to log in. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Asana dashboard. It's from this hub that you manage your projects and tasks, and this is where the magic of automation begins. Look for the specific project where you want to establish your intake automation. Each project in Asana is designed to organize tasks and related data, which makes it an ideal spot to collect and manage requests effectively. Once inside your chosen project, direct your attention to the Customize button. This is where you'll uncover a treasure trove of options to tailor the project to your needs. From here, select Forms. Forms in Asana are incredibly powerful as they allow you to gather necessary information in an organized fashion, automatically converting each submission into a task within your project. When you click Add Form, you're taking the first step in building a streamlined request system. Consider the information you need to collect up front. This might include general details about the request, deadlines that need respecting, or even file attachments that might be relevant. Craft questions that capture exactly what you'll require from the requester to make the process as seamless as possible. Additionally, you can integrate custom fields from your project, such as priority levels, statuses, or progress stages. These fields ensure that every request comes in pre-tagged with the right context, making it much easier to sort and track later. Once you've polished the form to meet your specifications, it's time to hit Publish. As soon as your form goes live, a copy of the link becomes available. This is the key to your new intake system. Share this link with your team members, partners, or any external collaborators to enable them to submit their requests directly into your Asana project. And there you have it. With this setup, you've constructed an automated intake request system in Asana. From here on, all requests will flow smoothly into your project, saving you time and keeping everything orderly. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy automating with Asana!